Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter, chapter 4, measurement. Okay, in this chapter we learn about some topics, length, weight and capacity. Are you ready for the class? Okay. Today we are going to learn about our topics, length, converting meters into centimeter, converting centimeters into meters. Okay. Are you ready for the class? Okay. All of you take your text and note. Take your text. Page number 106. 106. Okay. Our chapter is measurement. The metric system is system of measuring length, weight and capacity. Certain standard applicable units such as the meter, kilogram and liter. The metric system is a system of measuring length, weight and capacity using certain standard applicable units such as the meter, kilogram, liter. Okay. Let us begin with some questions. First one, filling the blanks. 1 meter equal to dash centimeter. 1 meter equal to dash centimeter. Okay, 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. Then second one, B. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Second one, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Did you write? Okay. Then third one, see, the standard unit to measure weight is meter. Meter. Okay. Third one, meter. Okay. Then and last one, the standard unit to measure capacity is okay, liter. Okay. I will explain one more time. First one A, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. And third one, the standard unit to measure weight is meter. Then fourth one, the standard unit to measure capacity is liter. Okay. Then our topic is length. Our first topic is length. Length. Okay. Length is measuring in meter. Length is measured in meter, centimeter and kilometer, millimeter. Okay. Length is measured in meter, kilometer, centimeter and millimeter. Okay. Distance is measured in kilometer. Distance is measured in kilometer. Kilometer. Distance is measured in kilometer. For example, the distance between Karlai to Nilambur is measured in kilometer. Distance between Karlai to Nilambur is measured in kilometer. Okay. Then small objects such as a pen, eraser, pencil. Notebooks are measured in centimeter. Small objects such as pen, pencil, eraser, our notebook. Okay, it is measured in centimeter. Okay, then next one, cloth piece and sari are, cloth is measured in meter. Okay, cloth is measured in meter. Okay, the standard unit of length is, the meter. The metric unit of length are centimeter, meter and kilometer. The metric unit of length are centimeter, meter and kilometer. Okay, length is measured in kilometer, centimeter and meter. Length is measured in kilometer, centimeter and meter. Okay, short form of kilometer km and centimeter is cm. Then meter is m, small letter. Okay, length is measured in kilometer, centimeter and meter. Okay. Then listen here. Distance is measured in kilometer. Then our cloth is measured in centimeter. Okay. Listen here. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. One centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Then 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Then 1 kilometer equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. All of you listen here. 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay. Then 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then when 1 kilometer equal to 100 meter. Okay. We are already learn about our previous classes. Okay, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Take your rough note and write this. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then next one, converting meters into centimeter. Converting meters into centimeter. Converting meters into centimeter. Okay. Converting meters into centimeter. Okay. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. One example for you. The length of a saree is 5 meter. How many centimeters does it measure? The length of a saree is 5 meter. Length of a saree is 5 meter. How many centimeter does it measure? ഒരു സാരിയുടെ ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 5 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആണ്. എത്ര സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എത്രയാണ്? സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ എത്രയായിരിക്കും? 5 മീറ്റർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹൗ മെനി സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ, എത്ര സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ആണെന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Listen here. To convert meters into centimeter, we multiply the number of meter by 100. Number of meter by 100. Number of meter by 100. Okay. Number of meter into 100. Okay. Here we want to find out the 5 meter into convert 5 meter into centimeter. Okay. One meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then we want to find out the how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Sorry, 5 meter. 5 meter. 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter. 5 into 5 into 100. 5 into 100. 500. 500 centimeter. Okay. 1 meter means 1 into 100. 1 meter means 1 into 100. 1 meter means 1 into 100. Okay. Here we want to find out the 5 meter into convert 5 meter into centimeter. 5 into 100. 5 into 100. We got the answer 500. Okay, 500 centimeter. Therefore, the length of saree is the length of saree is 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter. Okay. I will explain one more time. We want to find out 5 meter into convert 5 meter into centimeter. Okay. 1 meter equal to 1 into 100. 1 meter equal to 1 into 100. 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Okay. Then we want to find out the 5 meter into centimeter. Okay, 5 meterനെ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിലേക്കാണ് നമ്മൾ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് അല്ലേ. അപ്പം 5 meter equal to 5 into 100. 5 into 100. 5 into 100 centimeter. 5 into 5 meter into 100 centimeter. We got the answer 500 centimeter. Okay, 5 into 100, 500 centimeter. Then therefore, the length of saree is 500 centimeter. The length of saree is 500 centimeter. Okay, write it. Did you finished? Okay. Then our next example 2. Convert 6 meter 25 centimeter into centimeter. Convert 6 meter and 25 centimeter into centimeter. Okay. Convert 6 meter and 25 centimeter into centimeter. Okay. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Okay. We want to find out the 6 meter and 25 centimeter into centimeter. Okay. Here 1 meter equal to 1 into 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 6 meter and 25 centimeter. 6 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay, here firstly we want to find out the 6 meter into centimeter. 6 meterനെ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം അല്ലേ. ഈ 6 meterനെ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം അല്ലേ. ഈ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിനെ വീണ്ടും നമ്മൾ സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? നോ, ഇല്ല അല്ല. ഈ 25നെ നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും സെൻറ്റിമീറ്ററിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമില്ല അല്ലേ. ഹിയർ 6 into 100. 6 into 100, 600 centimeter. We got the answer 600 centimeter. Then 600 centimeter plus 600 centimeter plus 25. 6 meter and 25 centimeter. Okay. 6 meter means 6 meter equal to here we want to find out 6 meter into centimeter. 6 meter into centimeter, 600 centimeter. 600 plus. Then here we add this number 25. 600 plus 25. 600 plus 25. 625. 625. We got the answer 625. Okay. I will explain one more time. Convert 6 meter and 25 centimeter into centimeter. 6 meter and 25 centimeter into centimeter. Okay, how to solve this problem? Here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 6 meter and 25 centimeter equal to 6 into 100, 600 centimeter. Firstly find out this number 6 meter. 6 into 100, 600 centimeter. Then 600 centimeter plus this 25 centimeter. 625 600 plus 25 centimeter. 600 plus 25 625 centimeter. Okay. Did you understand? Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions and remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 4.1. First one, convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Okay. First one, A 9 meter. We want to find out 9 meter into centimeter. Convert 9 meter into centimeter. Okay. We are already know 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. 9 meter equal to 9 into 100 centimeter. 9 into 100 centimeter. 9 into 100. 9 into 100. 900 centimeter. 900 centimeter. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Then second one, B 10 meter. 10 meter. 10 meter. Okay. 10 meter equal to 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Then 10 meter equal to number of meter into 100. Okay, number of meter here 10 meter. 10 meter into 100. 10 into 100. 10 into 100 1000 centimeter. 1000 centimeter. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay. I will explain one more time. 9 meter. We want to find out 9 meter into centimeter. 9 meter equal to 9 into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 9 into 100, 900 centimeter. We got the answer 900 centimeter. Okay. Then second one, 10 meter. Okay. 10 meter equal to 10. Okay. Number of meter. How many meters in here? 10 meter. Okay. 10 into 100. 10 into 100, 1000 centimeter. Okay. Then second one, convert into centimeter. Convert into centimeter. Okay. Okay, convert into centimeters. Okay. 2 meter and 68 centimeter. 2 meter and 68 centimeter. Okay. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Okay. All of you listen here. Firstly, 2 meter, convert 2 meter into centimeter, then add 68. Then add this number. Okay. 2 meter equal to 2 into 100. 2 into 100. 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter. 2 into 100, 200 centimeter. Then 2 meter and 68 centimeter. 2 meter and 68 centimeter. 2 into 100, 200 centimeter plus 200 centimeter plus 68, 68. 200 plus 68. Answer is 268. 268 is the answer. Okay. I will explain one more time. Our question is 2 meter and 68 centimeter. 2 meter and 68 centimeter. Okay. Firstly, we want to find out the 2 meter into centimeter. 2 meter equal to 2 into 100, 200 centimeter. Then add this number 68. 2 meter 68 centimeter equal to 200 plus 68. 200 plus 68. We got the answer 268. Okay. Write it. Write it. Okay. Did you finish? Okay, good. Then our second question. Our next question is 11 meter 9 centimeter. 11 meter and 9 centimeter. Okay, firstly we want to find out 11 meter into centimeter, then add this centimeter. Okay, 11 centimeter. 11 into 100. 11 into 100. 1100. 1100. 11 into 100. 11 into 100. 1100. Okay. Then we want to find out 11 meter and 9 centimeter. 11 meter 9 centimeter. 11 meter and 9 centimeter. 11 meter into centimeter. 11 meter convert 11 meter into centimeter. 1100 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. 1100 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. We got the answer. 1109. 1109. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Our next question is B. 6 meter 40 centimeter. 6 meter 40 centimeter. 6 meter and 40 centimeter. Here 6 meter equal to 6 into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 6 into 100 centimeter equal to we got the answer 600 centimeter. Then we want to find out 6 meter and 40 centimeter into centimeter. 6 meter 40 centimeter. 6 meter 40 centimeter. 6 meter means 600 centimeter. 600 plus here 40 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. 640 centimeter. Okay. I will explain one more time. We want to find out 6 meter and 40 centimeter into centimeter. Okay. 6 meter equal to 6 into 100. 6 into 100, 600 centimeter. Then then add this centimeter. 600 plus 40 centimeter. 600 meter 40 centimeter equal to 600 plus 600 centimeter plus 40 centimeter. 600 plus 40, 640 centimeter. Okay, we got the answer 640 centimeter. Okay, write it, write it. Did you finished? Okay. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.